Okay, fine. So here we went for what? 1st January we purchased one machinery. Again in the second year we purchased the second machinery. That is in the July, mid of the year we have purchased. Again in the third year we sold the first machinery and we purchased the third machinery. And whereas in the fourth year we have sold even the second machinery. So this is what my table actually shows about me. Now looking at the table, now I'll go for filling up my ledger account. So this is my machinery account. So this is our change of method. So my year starts from where? From 1st January 2005. So this is my 2003 1st January. So what we have done, we purchased the first asset. So here I'm going to write as, when we purchase, what we'll write? To
Bank.
Yes, to bank, that is machinery number 1. And what was the total value? The actual asset value was 36, but we have spent for repairs plus erection. Total together it is now 40,000. Now I'll look into the table and see, do I have any other things in the last 15th problem? So I'm going to look into the table and I'll see, do I have any other adjustments? If I see, do I have any other adjustments? I do not have any other adjustments. So simply what we'll do, we are going to close the year. So when we are going to close the year, what we are going to calculate as usual every time? So as we have only one asset, I'll calculate depreciation only for one asset. Now in the first time we are following which method it seems? SLM method we are going. And what is the percentage of SLM? Read the second para. If you anything information you want to know about depreciation, please read the second para. He said the depreciation was provided on the machinery 10% per annum on original cost. Okay. So now see here. What was the asset value? 40,000 into percentage is how much? 10%. Into how many months we utilized? 1st January we purchased and 31st December we are providing depreciation. So how many months we have used it? January to December. How many months? 12 by 12. Total 12 months I'm using it. So how much you are going to get it? 4,000. That's it. So by balance carried down 40 minus 4, how much?
36,000.
36,000. That's it. So first year I have done with it. So I'm just closing the year. Now I'm into 2004, that is January 1st. As usual, I'm going to write to balance brought down. So how much is the to balance brought down? So to balance brought down is 36,000.
36,000.
Now please go to the table and check it out. Do we have anything in that second year? Do we went for any kind of adjustments in the second year?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we purchased the second machinery. What we have done it, we purchased second machinery. Now please go to the sum and check it out. Did we purchase on a 1st January itself or somewhere in the mid of the year?
Mid of the year,
July.
ma'am.
Yeah, we purchased in the mid of the year, that is July. So 1st July, what we are going to write? To bank. Now this is our machine number 2. And what is the value, ma? 10,000.
10,000.
Right? Now here, as usual, I'm going to go for closing. But before closing, again, we'll calculate what? Depreciation as on
Depreciation.
31st December. Now, how many assets we have now? As of now, we have how many assets?
Two.
Two assets, right? Two assets. But now onwards, now this is machine number 1. But now onwards, what is the method we are going? What he said, please read out the second line. He said, in 2004, however, the company changed the method of providing depreciation and adapted the written down value method with a rate of interest how much? 15%. So from second year, what is the method we are going to follow? DBM method. But what is the percentage? The percentage is also changing to what? 15%.
15%.
So now here the first machine written down value. Diminishing balance method means original value is important or reduced balance is important?
Reduce.
Reduced.
Reduce.
So first asset reduced value was 36,000 into 15% we are going to do. Now calculate how much it will be. 15% means 36,000 in
5,400, ma'am.
yeah, so it is 5,400.
400.
Now, we have got one more asset, no? So I'll write one more time by depreciation. Now this is on machine number 2 and as usual DBM method. So when we calculate 10,000 at the rate of 15% and how many months we have used it, that we have to see, no? So when we purchased 1st to July, he said. So 1st to July to December, how many months?
6 months.
6 by 12. So 6 months. So 6 by 12 I'm going to take. So how much you are going to get it, ma?
750, ma'am.
Yeah, 750. Now please tell me what is the balance carried down now. So by balance carried down is 46 minus these two, you do it. 46,000 minus 5,400 minus 750. How much you got?
I've not done 9,000.
Shall I write?
39,000.
Yeah, 39,850 you got it, right? Yeah. So here I'm going to close it. Now as soon as I close it, I'll go for writing as brought down in the next year. I'm into the 2005, that is 1st January. I'm going to write as to balance brought down, which is 39,850. Okay, now before proceeding, usually we have a habit of writing a working part, no? So that is what here I'm doing because 2 years have completed and mainly it is diminishing. So when it is diminishing, we have to go for compulsory procedure. So 40,000, and when we minus depreciation in the first year it was 4,000. So we got as on 1st January 2004, how much we got? Some 36,000.
36.
And in this year again we calculated depreciation, which was 5,400.
400.
So now I want 1st January 2005. What is the value? Please calculate 36 minus 5,400. Chudandana.
30,600.
30,600. Okay, let me draw the lines first. ఓకే అయింది మరి అలాగే సెకండ్ మెషినరీది కూడా చేయాలి కదా మనం సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ సెకండ్ మెషినరీ మెషిన్ నెంబర్ 2 we purchased on 1st July 2004 and the value is how much? 10,000. So depreciation in the first year we calculated how much, ma? 750. So as on 1st July 2005 you're going to get 9,250. ఇక్కడ వరకే ఆపేస్తాం బికాస్ 2005 లో కదా ఇంకా మనం క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయలేదు. సో దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో ఐఎమ్ డ్రాయింగ్ ద లైన్. Now go to the sum now. What is that happen? Or else just check the table. What is happening in the table? 2005 lo did we go for any kind of changes, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is that we are doing?
First, we have sold the first machine and we have bought another one.
Yeah, we have sold the first machine and we have brought down another machinery. So that's what here. First we are going to write, we have written first sales, no? So that's why I'm going to go for calculating first sale. Okay. So now whenever I go for finding about a sale, what I'm going to do it, ma? I'll round off the figure, no? So So that is what here also I am doing it. So I am rounding off these 30,600 now. Okay, I'm rounding off this one. Now I need to segregate this value. Now these 30,600 is as on 1st January. Please check it out. Did we sell on the same day or somewhere in the mid of the year?
Somewhere, ma'am.
Somewhere in the mid of the year. So how many months we used? Please count it. When we are selling and how many months we used? July 1st we sold. July 1st means January to July. How many months? January to June. July 1st means it's not countable. January to June. How many months?
6 months.
6 months. Yeah. So depreciation you will go for calculating for 6 months. Now calculate. Written down value is reduced value is how much? 30,600. On 30,600, 15% means will be how much? 4,590. Uchinda?
Yes, ma'am.
4,959 590.
59.
6 divided by 12 చేయాలి. సో ఎంత వస్తుంది అప్పుడు? డివైడెడ్ బై 12 అన్నప్పుడు హాఫ్ అయినా చేసేయచ్చు, డివైడ్ బై 2 అయినా చేసేయచ్చు నాన్న. 6 ఇంటూ డివైడెడ్ బై 12 అలా కూడా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, హాఫ్ డివైడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో హౌ మచ్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్?
2,200.
2,295 అంతేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మై ఫస్ట్ సెగ్రిగేషన్. నౌ ప్లీజ్ మైనస్ ఇట్. 30,600 నుంచి 2,295 తీసేసేయండి. ద వాల్యూ యాజ్ ఆన్ జులై
1,305.
28,305.
28,305. సో ఇది నా వాల్యూ. డెప్రిసియేషన్ తీసిన తర్వాత ఇది నా వాల్యూ. నౌ ప్లీజ్ గో వెన్ హౌ మచ్ వీ సోల్డ్ ఫర్. Is it we have sold for same amount or something less or something more?
Something less, ma'am.
Less. How much we sold for?
28,000.
28,000. So this is my second segregation. And we got what, ma? We got a loss because 28,305 అయితే only 28,000 ki round figure ki అమ్మేసాను. So 305 is a loss for me, no? So this is my third segregation. So I'm rounding it off first and second. Now these 3 segregations I have to fill it up in my accounts, no? So that's what I'm doing here.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2005 1st July మధ్యలో మనం ఇది అమ్మేది. సో కాబట్టి ఏమని రాస్తాం ఇక్కడ అప్పుడు? We are going to write as first segregation పేరేంటి మా? Depreciation
By
in 1
station.
for how many months? 6 months.
6 months.
So I'll show the calculation also how we have done it. That is 30,600 into 15% into 6 divided by 12. So అది మనకి ఎంత వచ్చినప్పుడు 2295 వచ్చింది. ఆ తర్వాత ఏం చేసాము? దాన్ని అమ్మాము. ఎంతకి? బై బ్యాంక్ సేల్. How much we sold for? 28,000. So what we got now? We got a loss which we transfer to where? By P&L loss,
Annual loss.
which is 305.
5.
Okay. So this is done. So once I'm completed with my working part of 1, what I'm going to do? Simply I'm going to strike off this one. Okay, ఇది మనకి వేస్ట్ కదా, ఇంకా టోటల్ అకౌంట్ ని క్లోజ్ చేసేసాం. Okay, now please go back to the table and just check it up. Do we have any adjustments in 2005?
2006, ma'am.
2005 ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ చేయలేదు నాన్న, క్లోజ్ చేయలేదు మనం ఇంకా.
We have bought another machine, no, ma'am.
Yes, when we are bringing, we are going to write. When we bring a new machinery, what we are going to write? To
Bank machine 3.
bank machine 3.
3.
So what was the value? 25,000. And then our new machinery value 25,000. So now here I'm going to write up information about machine number 3. Machine 3, when we purchased on July 1st, and the value is 25,000. Now I can close this year. But 2005 close చేయాలి అంటే మళ్ళీ ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి మనము?
Depreciation.
So now you tell me, looking into the working part, now you tell me how many assets we are left over with.
2.
2. So machine 2, first one. So machine 2, again we are following diminishing balance method. Means మనకి original value important or reduced value?
Reduced value.
So for 9,250 into 15% you do. 9,250 into 15%. So how much you are going to get it?
1,387.
I'm making
0.5, ma'am.
Yeah, 0.5
88.
I can convert into 88 because I don't want answer to be in a decimal. So I'm converting into the round figure. 388. Okay, done. Now one we have completed. Now next is buy depreciation on machine number 3. We purchased on the first day, na, somewhere in the mid of the day, year. We purchased it somewhere in the mid of the year. So what is the asset value?
25,000.
The 25,000 into 15% into first time konnam kabatti we have to see the days, number of days, how many months we used. So I have written in the working part also when we purchased the asset, any when we have purchased the asset.
1st July.
1st July. So July to December, how many months? July, August, September, October, November, December. So how many months? July, August,
6
September, October, November, December. 6 months.
6.
6 months.
So ఇప్పుడు ఇది calculate చేయండి. 25,000 into 15%.
1875, ma'am.
1875, right? So it is 1875. Now I have got it. Now I need to find out what is the balance carried down. So by balance carried down, ఎంత calculate చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ స్పేస్ ఇస్తానులేండి, అంతలోపు నేను ఇది రాస్తూ ఉంటాను, మీరు టోటల్ చేసి క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తుండండి. సో డెప్రిసియేషన్ యాజ్ ఆన్ దిస్ డేట్ ఈస్ 1388 is equal to 2006 is equal to 9,250 minus 1388 is equal to 9,250 minus 138 is equal to 7,866.
30,987, ma'am.
30,987 ఆగండి అన్న, ఇది రాసేసి నేను చేస్తాను. సో 25,000 minus 1875 చేస్తే 1st January 2006 వచ్చేసి 23,125. యా డన్. నా ఇక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది అన్నారు?
30,987.
987 అంతేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Now I'm going to close this here. Now all the things have been completed, so I'm going to simply close it. So here 2006, we are in 2006 now. So 2006 January 1st, what we are going to write? To balance brought down is 30,987. Okay. Now please go to the table once again and check it out. Do we have any adjustments here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
what we
we
are
have
doing?
sold the second machine.
We sold the second
Second
machinery also. So whenever I say I sold it, again, I'm going to round off that figure. So here I'm rounding off this figure now. Now I need to segregate this one. So when we are selling, please check the date. This is 1st January
July
2005.
2006.
So July we are. So that means 6 months depreciation I should calculate, no? So please calculate 6 months depreciation. 7,862 ఉంది నాన్న 7,862 ని ఇంటూ 15% చేస్తే మీకు 589.65 వచ్చింది. ఒకసారి చూడండి. వచ్చిందా? Did you get it? 7,862 ని 15% చేసి divided by 2 చేస్తే you will get 589.65 something you're going to get. So I have converted into 9. Did you get it? Is anybody doing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
సో వచ్చిందా? నౌ అది మైనస్ చేస్తే నాకు బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎంత వచ్చిందేమా? ఐ గాట్ 7272 అంటే నేను ఇంతకు అమ్మాలి. బట్ ప్లీజ్ చెక్ దట్ అమౌంట్. డిడ్ వి సేల్ ఫర్ సేమ్ అమౌంట్స్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ మోర్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ లెస్? ఎంతకు అమ్మాం? ఎక్కువకా తక్కువకా?
తక్కువకి మ్యామ్, less.
Yes, I think very less, I think. So how much we sold
Yes,
for?
ma'am, only
We
2,000.
sold only for 2000 and this is my second segregation. And what we got now? Loss. So how much is the loss? 5,272.
5272.
My loss,
Second
and
is-
this is my third segregation. Now I have to fill it up everything into my accounts, no? So that's what I'm doing. That is 2006. That is July 1st. So I'm going to write as by depreciation of machine number 2 for 6 months. So how I calculated, I'll show. So written down value was 7,862 ఉండింది నాన్న. సో దాన్ని ఇంటూ 15% చేశాను. ఇంటూ 6 divided by 12 చేస్తే I got the answer of 590. And then actually I sold the buyback sale. I sold only for 2000. Then I got by P&L loss is 5272. So I'm completed with this one kada. So once I have done, so it's no more in my accounts ane kada ardham. So what I'm going to do it, I'll cross.
Cancel.
Now I'll see the table. Do I have anything apart from second machinery sold? We don't have anything. So that means I can close it ane kada ardham. But before closing, I'll check out how many assets are there because I have to calculate depreciation kadama. So ఒకసారి చూడండి ఎన్ని అసెట్స్ మిగిలాయి ఇప్పుడు మనకి?
1.
1. So I'm going to calculate depreciation on that one asset. How much percentage? 15%. So 23,125 into 15% చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది?
3469, ma'am.
Yeah,
3469.
3469. Because 8.7 ఏదో వచ్చింది కాబట్టి I'm just cancelling that one.
9. Yes, ma'am.
Minus 3469 తీసుకుంటే you will get the answer 1st January 2007 వచ్చేసరికి it will be 19,656 వస్తుంది నాన్న. సో ఇదే మనం అకౌంట్స్ బుక్స్ లో వేసేద్దాం. Now I'm going to draw these things into my accounts. That is first 31st December. I'm going to write by depreciation on machine number 3. Here how I calculated because 23,125 into direct 15%. So that's how I got 34,869. Sorry. 9. So therefore, my balance carry down is how much now? My balance carry down is 19,656. Okay, understood? So is this clear, Noma? So if that fellow is asking only to change a method, so simply this is the way we are going to change it. We'll not adjust anything. But if that fellow is asking us to go for retrospective effect, what is that he is asking? If that person is going to ask us a retrospective effect, then compulsory what we have to do it? We have to adjust the change. But here, until he does not ask us with a retrospective effect అని అనకపోతే నేను ఎలాంటి అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ చేయకూడదు అని అర్థం. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,